Because Jacket Copy Creative is an immersive learning course, we won't have a traditional and stable schedule. Instead, we'll have a weekly routine on Mondays and Wednesdays as to what we do in class. And then the work that you do outside of class will depend heavily on what the client needs are currently. Every Monday will be focused on broader theory and concerns, and the practice teams will meet every Monday. Most Mondays, your practice team will participate in 3 different activities. First, you'll discuss readings, theory, and/or case studies that I ask you to prepare ahead of time. Second, you'll discuss posts to a weekly inspiration board. And third is a session I'm calling Spotlight on Practice, in which you'll discuss and strategize an existing communication practice by the English department. Taken together, these 3 sessions will allow you to strategize and think through the different communication practices that we'll be participating in throughout the course. There's more details for all 3 of these in Basecamp, so please read the respective sections in Basecamp on the course syllabus for these 3 Monday activities. Every Wednesday, then, will be dedicated to specific projects, and your project teams will meet. Occasionally, if you need to meet with a client outside of class, you'll do so on that Wednesday and just not show up to class, or we'll bring the clients in to the class during the Wednesday time period. The idea behind this routine is that we will both get time to work on specific projects as necessary and collaborate with each other and discuss and strategize for those projects, and time to think about broader communication practices and examine our own consistent and ongoing communication practices so that we don't just fall into doing the same things we've always done because that's how we've always done it. One thing to note here as well is that both days will be really focused on strategizing and brainstorming together. Working is something you're mostly going to be doing outside of class, and in class you're going to be talking and thinking. And then my hope is that by talking and thinking together in class, whether it be on overall ongoing communication practices or specific projects, then working outside of class, the work that you do outside of class will be informed by those strategies and ideas that you've been playing with inside of class.